All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I got a Keanison knives. This is a collaboration with the Vitesse design. This is the Camden number 33 in the house, and I'm gonna check out the look, the sound, and the feel. And in the meantime, you guys can check out Fablades.com, see what's going on there. Maybe at Fablades on Instagram and see what also is going on there. What is going on here is a hard case with some informations handmade in Texas, collaboration with Vitesse Design. You get Prince Custom right over here, and boom, you get this fella right over there. And that was a lousy opening, but it's fine. It's all right. I'm gonna redo this. Like, that is how you supposed to open this fella. Anyways, it's pretty cool, pretty small, because you have like 7.5 centimeters for the blade and 10 for the handle, and 17.5, which adds up for the overall length of this guy. I'm gonna show you a couple Shiro right over here. I got Neon NL, which is gorgeous. I got a Stellaris right up there, a little bit bigger than that, and I got a full-size Quantum right over here, again, to show you the sizes of these three popular Shiro. I want to show you something from, big boys. This is from Randy Doucette. You get a Serpent, and right up here, another custom knife. This is Glenn R. Hovin. Beautifully done from Norway. Anyways, we are here to check out this guy that landed on my table. It's a pretty cool frame lock. I like the design. It's a front flipper. It can be opened with a thumb stud, like reverse flick, of course, but also like it can be like front flipped like that with your thumb. So that's pretty cool. You have titanium micro milling going on the handle. Look at that. Okay. And it's very, very simple construction. You have one screw pretty much going through this set of scales and reaching out the hidden hardware pocket clip. Pretty cool, neat, clean show side. You have a pivot collar right over here, blue anodized, matching, of course, the stud, the standoff, and the pocket clip. Which also acts as an over-travel lock bar stabilizer. You have some nice chamfering going on the outside, especially very, very wide. Not so much on the inside, but I wouldn't say it's sharp. But still, these thumb studs are kind of neat, sharp. There's a little bit of this thing, like, you see? There you go. So you have over travel lock bar stabilizer right there. So you need basically, and I'm gonna actually do it on the fly. You need to align a little bit the pivot collar. Let me see if I did it right. There you go. So like this fella has just to be aligned a little bit more like that. There you go. That's how you do it. So there's no more issue. So yeah, now it clears pretty well. So you have to just do that. So very, very interesting. It's a pretty cool one, guys. I like the design, actually. Nice ship's foot. It's a mirror washed kind of blade going on over here. Titanium frame lock, just a little bit of anodization in the accent. You have some micro milling going on. I believe the steel is like 20 CV, but I don't know. Who am I to know these kind of things? Probably I'm wrong. Let me know in the comments down below if you know the actual steel going on in this one. It's a collaboration with Vitesse Design. Not too big. It feels really good in the hand. The blade, of course, has a little bit of Keanison logo, and that is it. Not much else going on in this frame lock. You have externally cut out lock bar with micro milling going on also in that pocket. There is no stainless steel lock face insert right over here. Let me see about, there's no detent ball ramp. But you have some nice blade shape, actually. Let's measure stock thickness here. You have 4 millimeters, and behind edge is a little bit thick behind edge, probably 0.6. So, but still, it's nicely done. Something that I don't like much is the sharpening choil done like that with a drill. Probably, just like that. Not perfect. I like this side over here. It's pretty good. And overall, it's a little knife that is not gonna break the bank. These are like in the $600 range, and the weight is also not going to kill you while you carry it around, because it's like 3.27 ounces. So not too bad. It's a pleasant thing to hold in the hand. It's kind of small. You rest your finger right over here, and it just goes like that. So thumb stud deployment is fun. You can do, of course, like reverse flick. You can use like two, not like that, like this. You can front flip it, slow rolling like that. Maybe you can also open it like, no, you can't. Maybe you can, but what I want to say, it's just like, it's small. I mean, I can just like close it in my hand, and there's, nothing really that wrong with this one. It's I would say it's well made. It's not perfect. It's very simple. There's no internal skeletonization, of course. The sound, very subtle. Thunk, tink. It's quiet. It's not gonna raise any eyebrows. It's pretty cool. Weight is there. Hot spots, I mean, it's all right. It's okay. There's not many bad things I can say about this one. Actually, it's a pretty neat one. The blade is centered. You cannot touch it there. The weight is there. It's a little small. There's no blade plate. It's solid. It's running on bearings, and drop shot, definitely. It's, I mean, you have a little bit of grippiness for the milling texture going on. It's cool. Detent is a little bit on the light side, but I like the action, and I like how relaxed this guy is. And you know what? I'm just gonna give it a little bit of a polish, clean, just to show you how shiny that blade is. Look at that. So there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.